Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Glow Recipe. I love how this brand just loves food so much they decided to name their products in honor of food. Literally going through their website was so fun because it was like colors, a lot of watermelons, avocados, mangoes, sorbet, souffles. Ooh, it was so exuberant. I enjoyed the experience, if I must say. This brand is very popular. I think the product that's really popular with this brand is their toner, their BHA pore-tight toner. I actually own one myself. I love it. It smells immaculate. Definitely one of my favorite toners. Like I said, this brand loves their fruits, and with that, they do love their extracts. A lot of extracts in their products. I don't think there was one product that had less than 5 or 6 extracts. They have an overwhelming attraction for extracts in their products. So extracts are not a bad thing. I think I might have mentioned extracts in one of my videos and it might have been misconstrued. So extracts are gotten from plants, whether by getting it through chemicals or soaking the plant in water and getting the extract that you need for your formulation. The thing with extracts is that when we get it from a company that supplies those extracts, sometimes those extracts already contain preservatives. For example, if we buy 5 extracts from a manufacturer and all those 5 extracts each contain preservatives already, and then all of those preservatives are going to be used to make this product. So now you're not only using the preservative system from that one product, you're adding 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 extracts that all already contain preservatives. It's really up to the company or the chemist or the client to state this clearly to the manufacturer that they do or do not want preservatives in their extracts. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into the video. Starting off with their cleansing balm. They do have this one called the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. This one retails for $35. It contains papain, which is pretty much papaya. Papaya is AHA exfoliant. It exfoliates dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. But we all know that glycolic acid is the gold standard AHA because it has the smallest molecules that are able to penetrate the skin and deliver results by taking off dead skin cells. I don't think that this product is up to par with what's out there. I do understand that some people have irritant dermatitis or might not like glycolic acid in their products, and if you're one of those people, totally go for this product because it doesn't contain glycolic acid and it might be a lot calmer on your skin. It also contains blueberry extracts, which are great for fighting free radicals, kernel oil that has fatty acids that help nourish the skin. Okay, moving on to their cleanser. They have this one called the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. You guys, are their names so fun or what? Like, their names are so fun. I love it. Okay, so this one does contain hyaluronic acid, so we're getting more gold standard ingredients here. We all know hyaluronic acid is a great humectant, great for nourishing the skin, keeping moisture in your skin. It has glycolic and lactic acid as its AHAs, and those two are 2 of the gold standard AHAs. I approve of this cleanser. It has April's stamp of approval. Now moving on to their really popular product, which is the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore-tight Toner, the one that I actually own. This one, as you guys know, contains PHA. PHA is a form of AHA. It is sort of the new it girl in the market. It's supposed to be a lot more gentle than glycolic acid. It does have large molecules, so that means that the molecules penetrate the skin at a slower pace. So you get your results delivered in a more calm fashion versus glycolic acid that just goes into your skin and starts to work. So if you have really irritable skin, so if you have eczema, rosacea, PHA might be something you want to look into when it comes to AHA products. This product also has hyaluronic acid, which is great humectant, as well as cucumber. Cucumber is great for soothing the skin. If I want like a glowing experience, it's definitely like one of those toners I reach out for on my countertop. Okay, moving on to their moisturizers. This one is priced at $36. It's called the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Watermelon is great at soothing the skin. It also fights free radicals on the skin. Sodium hyaluronate is the form of hyaluronic acid that's in this product. As far as the rest of the ingredients in this product, I wasn't too impressed with them. I felt like they were not comparable to what's out in the market, especially products like an Inky List and The Ordinary. I felt like this moisturizer did not not compare. I was looking for my squalene and niacinamide or something that maybe would make it stand up to the rest of the products that are out now, and I do not give it my stamp of approval. The second to last product here we're going to talk about is their vitamin C. This one is called the Pineapple C Bright Serum. In this product you get 3 forms of vitamin C. You get vitamin C from pineapple, which I actually just learned from my research that pineapple contains one of the most potent forms of vitamin C. It also has ascorbic acid, which is one of the most stable forms of vitamin C, and it also has 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is an ascorbic acid ester. It also contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So this product is clearly packed with a lot of amazing ingredients already. I definitely give it my stamp of approval. I will actually buy this product. I wish that I owned it right now. The last product here is the retinol. This one is called the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. Avocado, which is one of the main ingredients in this product, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. The retinol in this product is encapsulated, which means it helps retinol release its benefits to the skin at really slow quantities. It has niacinamide, which is a great pore reducer, fine lines and wrinkles, helps combat free radicals, as well as combats or mitigates hyperpigmentation. Also contains squalene, which we love. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles, redness, and puffiness. It's just an amazing ingredient. So my final take on this brand is that it's a great brand. I think they're definitely taking the right steps in the right direction. They're definitely comparable to the Inculus and the Ordinary, which are 2 of the most competitive brands out right now as far as affordability. They can do a lot more work, but I think compared to a brand that I reviewed, which was Burt's Bees, I think they're way ahead of Burt's Bees. With more research and more product development, I think that they will get to the level of the Ordinary and the Inculus at some point. I do think that their price point though can never be compared, because the Inculus and Ordinary just are the gold standard price point for the entry-level consumer and the mid and senior level consumer in skincare. I think that if they adjusted their prices a little bit more, then maybe they would be right there with the Ordinary and the Inculus. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely hit the thumbs up button for me. It really helps out my videos, makes other people see the videos. Follow me on Instagram if you enjoyed the video. I do post skincare tips on there. If you'd like to keep up with me, you can go on my community page. On here, I also post things here and there throughout the week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.